Cold open. Ever dreamt of a powerful PC without breaking the bank? Let's navigate through the world of affordable hardware from Vedant Computers, where quality meets budget. Kickstart your PC journey with a robust processor. Imagine an AMD Ryzen, a powerhouse of performance. It's like the heart of your PC, pumping data through its veins. All this power be yours for just under 20,000 rupees. Next up, the motherboard. Think Asus, a city grid through which your PC components communicate. It's the unsung hero, ensuring every part sings in harmony. Moving to RAM, envision Corsair, your PC's short-term memory. It's like a juggler keeping your tasks in the air, ensuring seamless multitasking. Then comes the SSD. Picture a high-speed Kingston, your digital library. It's like a librarian, always ready with your data. Powering it all, we have the SMPS. Visualize a reliable Antec, the lifeblood of your PC. It's like a power plant keeping your digital city lit. And finally, the cabinet. Imagine a stylish NZXT, the face of your PC. It's like a protective shell housing all your valuable components. Building a PC is like painting a masterpiece. Every stroke matters. With Vedant Computers, you'll get the right palette without burning a hole in your pocket. Remember, all of this under 1 lakh rupees. Now that's a deal to steal. Get your gears rolling because the future of computing is just a click away. Happy building!